Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Did RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat indirectly criticize Prime Minister Narendra Modi again? There is no end to human ambition. About whom did Bhagwat say that man wants to become Superman, then God and Lord? Reacting to Mohan Bhagwat's comments, Congress took a non-biological PM swipe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had earlier said that God had sent him. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh chief Mohan Bhagwat on Thursday said that in the course of self-development, a person may want to become a Superman and then a God.
लेकिन मनुष्य से कोई होते अतिमानव, सुपरमैन कहते, सुपरमैन फिल्में अगर निकलती उसमें दिखाते हैं कि अलौकिक शक्तियां जिनके पास होती, तो फिर मनुष्य तो अलौकिक बनना चाहता है, सुपरमैन बनना चाहता है, अतिमानव बनना चाहता है, लेकिन वहां रुकता नहीं। उसको लगता है कि देव बनना चाहिए, तो वो देवता बनना चाहता है। लेकिन देवता कहते कि हमसे तो भगवान बड़ा है, वो भगवान बनना चाहता है। और भगवान कहता है कि मैं तो विश्वरूप हूं, अभी तो आपको एक रूप में दिख रहा हूं, लेकिन मेरा जो सारे विश्व में व्याप्त ऐसा बिना आकार का रूप है, वो असली मैं। वो वहां भी कुछ है क्या रुकने की जगह, कि वहां से भी आगे कुछ है, ये कोई जानता नहीं है, ऐसे कह नहीं सकता।
Is there never an end to progress? When we reach our goal, we see that there is still more to go. A man wants to become a Superman, then a Dev, and then Bhagwan. Both internal and external developments have no end. It is a continuous process, and that is why we should always be at asamadhan slightly. A lot has been done, but still a lot is left, Bhagwat said while addressing a village-level workers' meeting organized by Vikas Bharti. A Karyakarta should think that he has done a lot, but still a lot is pending because there is always scope to do more. The solution will only come if development is continuous, the RSS chief added. Bhagwat further said that he was never worried about the country's future since many people were working collectively for its betterment. Although Bhagwat did not mention PM Modi by name, many on social media said that this was an indirect attack on PM Modi. There is no doubt about the country's future. Good things should happen. All are working for it. We are also making efforts. We have different styles of worship as we have 33 crore gods and goddesses. More than 3,800 languages are spoken here. And even the food habits are different. Despite these differences, our thought is one and it cannot be found in other countries, he said as quoted by ANI. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh responded to Mohan Bhagwat's statement by making fun of PM Modi and posting it on X. I am sure the self-proclaimed non-biological Prime Minister must have got the news of this latest Agni missile fired from Nagpur targeting Lok Kalyan Marg, Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh wrote on X. Notably, the RSS headquarters is situated in Nagpur, while 7 Lok Kalyan Marg is the Prime Minister's official residence. The Congress has often mocked Prime Minister Modi's statement that God sent him for a purpose. God has sent me for a purpose, PM Modi said in an interview during the election. As long as my mother was alive, I thought I was biologically born. After her death, after my experiences, I am convinced that I am sent by God, PM Modi said in another interview. The Congress has stepped up its jibes at Prime Minister Modi, terming RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's statement a Bhagwat bomb and a fire missile. Earlier in the Lok Sabha, during the debate on the motion of thanks for the President's joint address, Rahul Gandhi had joked that we all are born and die, but Paramatma speaks to Modi's Atma. This statement comes at a time when all is not well between the RSS and Modi Shah. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.